The ongoing cost of Algorand is around 19 cents. According to our ALGO coin cost expectation, it is estimated that the greatest cost for the coin might be around 47 cents with a base cost of 17 cents. By the time it is 2025, our Algorand cost forecast proposes that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of 75 cents. Simultaneously, the base cost may be around 52 cents. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand is a cutting-edge blockchain known as Blockchain 3.0 for its imaginative utilization of haphazardness to settle the blockchain trilemma, guaranteeing security, versatility, and decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Micali and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and business analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the exciting modern lifestyle. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely adaptable. Consequently, they instituted the advantage of utilizing verification of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its autonomous blockchain framework with its agreement system and block validators, and make more KID chains of its own. Algorand. The ALGO token Algorand Organizations Group has created interface libraries that will be a pioneer. The organization likewise brought an exceptional token ALGO that is currently a significant hit at the prestigious trades coordinating the speed with other cryptographic forms of money. Vantage ALGO. The huge potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the check of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most minimal expenses. Algorand shrewd agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be sure that the program ran without mistake and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, conclusion, security, and cost adequacy. AES-CONES can consequently uphold custom guidelines and rationale, from just characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. AES-CONES are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and PyTeal, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary standards, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will more often than not send and get installments in their ideal money by means of Algorand-savvy contracts as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Algorand, displaying the future. The strength of Algorand lies in its system, and it is an open-source blockchain network, meaning the ALGO token's record is freely accessible. Sparkle Money will before long coordinate the Algorand DeFi environment with Solana according to their declaration to give improved interoperability in the blockchain. This will ensure that dealers that are utilizing Sparkle can share their advanced tokens to Layer 1 blockchain from Algorand. Why is Algorand known as the Ethereum executioner? Ethereum will relocate from POW to POS, while Algorand utilizes the unadulterated confirmation of stake system. This implies Algorand overwhelms regarding versatility, and these elements will definitely help the Algorand cost rise. In any case, merchants ought to allude to Ethereum cost expectation and Algorand estimates prior to going into any of digital currencies. Yearly Algorand Value Forecast 2023 to 2030. The brain research of dealers assumes a significant part in market opinion. Crypto costs are exceptionally delicate to the group's mentality towards giving a significant value activity to any computerized cash. In this way, never neglect to do itemized research on a crypto expectation prior to putting your cash. The ongoing cost of Algorand waits around 19 cents with a market capitalization of $1,393,720,988 with a coursing supply of $7,230,198,467 ALGO. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change regardless. Sell Algorand at the obstruction level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This technique can assist financial backers with making a transient benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost forecast, we should concentrate on the value history of the token. Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the ALGO cost shot up to 49 cents. Later in 2020, ALGO cost denoted a precarious fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recaptured its lost force. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At long last, after some high points and low points, the ALGO token contacted the $1 mark. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.70 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some combination, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The ALGO value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold yet fizzle. Before the cost could recover force, the whole crypto market saw an accident, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upturn. Algorand Value Expectation 2023 as per Algorand Forecast 2023. With any progressions in arrangements and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of dim days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost estimate, the coin could cruise tranquilly around 33 cents with a greatest cost of 47 cents and least cost of 19 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play reliably. ALGO Coin Value Expectation 2024 assuming Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and essentials. The ALGO coin could reflect enormous development in the forthcoming years. It wouldn't be an embellishment to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 59 cents, which is plus 43% to the most recent costs. Sometime or another, however, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light reach. In light of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 41 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Algorand has proactively embraced the POS component and consequently has tremendous development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really brilliant for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 75 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Expectation 2026. Having seen a colossal DApp reception in the past pushed the cost of Algorand. The organization is very famous, with various tasks based on it, given the headways are kept up with. The Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a most extreme cost of 95 cents, which is plus 340% of the Algorand cost today. ALGO Value Expectation 2027 with organizations and local area financing. The business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.18, which is plus 450% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand figure, yet clearly possible instead of expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost expectations, the base cost of the coin might be around 82 cents. ALGO Crypto Value Expectation 2028. In light of the expectations, the ALGO coin might have a base cost of 96 cents with a greatest cost of $1.38 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $1.17 in light of our ALGO gauge. ALGO Value Expectation 2029 out of 2029. The ALGO coin is supposed to exchange a scope of $1.18 to $1.70, where the previous is the least cost, and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, our Algorand cost expectation proposes that the typical cost of the token might be $1.44 all year long. Algorand Value Expectation 2030 as per Algorand Cost Forecast 2030. The Guaj crypto cost will exchange above $2 by 2030. The ALGO coin will ascend to $2.16 by December 2030, addressing